Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to add Face ID to apps on any iPhone. Now currently I'm using an iPhone 11 to record this video, and the iOS version on our iPhone is iOS 18.3.1. Now to add Face ID, if you open the App Store and if you try to download an app, for an example we will download this one. Now from here, double click to install. Now from here, if you tap on install, it will ask you to enter a password. Now if you want to enable Face ID instead of this password, just go to your home screen. Now from here, open the settings app. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Now from here, just enter the screen lock. Now from here, just enter your Face ID. Now as you can see, I have already entered my Face ID to this iPhone. Now once you enter your Face ID to your iPhone, just scroll up. Now from here, make sure you enable iTunes and App Store. Now from here, just enter the passcode. Now from here, once you enter the password and once you enable the iTunes and App Store option, just go to your home screen. Now from here, just open the App Store. Now from here, just download any app. Now from here, it will ask you to double click to install, and it will enable the Face ID to authorize transaction. Now as you can see, it scanned my face by using Face ID and it authorized the transaction. And this is how you can add Face ID to apps on any iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.